Okay, what we're going to make here is a container with two sides, a top and a bottom. We're going to start with the bottom half of the segment first. So what you want to do is fold the raw edge over here to the E in America. And you want to make sure that that raw edge bisects that E. Now, fold in half. Now you're going to fold it into thirds. And how you will fold it into thirds, this is the best and easiest way. You can fold it into thirds the best way you know how, but make an S. And make sure all corners meet up. Now, what you want to do is fold the top border backwards. Just the top border half of the dollar. And we're going to fold just to the top of the one. Now just exercise your folds. Turn each valley fold into a mountain fold. Okay. Now, this is just temporarily, but fold this segment back over this way. Just temporary. And now what we're going to do, with the face side facing up, put mountain folds from top left to bottom right in each segment. I like to start with this segment over here because you have a corner right there, that edge helping you out. And you fold all the way to the top of that edge. Top of that corner to corner. Same thing with this one. with this one here, the same thing pretty much. I just chose to do it chose to do it last. Alright. Fold this end back up. And come bring it behind. Lift it over. Tuck that back half up under. Like so. Hold it together, and what you want to do is start close it, pushing in on it, pushing down on all your diagonal folds. Push down on all of them. It should kind of want to twist on its own. Let it twist. It's a little tricky to get it working, but it'll go. Gotta work with it and just take your time with it and push and make sure you are on all your folds. But it'll go in and it'll sit neatly in place once you get it in there. Kind of exercise your folds again once you got it in there. Alright. That is the bottom half of it. The bottom half. Alright, let's work on the top. On the top half, notice how we bisect the E, because that bottom half is going to be smaller. Well, you need the top to be wider so it can fit over it. So now you want to bisect to the I. And we're going to go through the same process all over again. It's a little bit different. Fold in half. S to fold into thirds, or the best way you know how. Now, with the top part, we're going to fold the bottom of the dollar up until the bottom of this one. And so let's get that started there. And one more time, just folding this up to the raw edge. Just up until the raw edge. Exercise your folds. Turn all valley folds into mountain folds. Okay. Again. Now we're going to still do the same thing. Valley folds from top left to bottom right. And get that glass in. Connect them. Just tuck that in there. And hold that in place. Twist and fold. And they should all start to come in place too. You gotta kind of hold it in place a little bit, but there we go. And just like so. And now you have your top. It goes right over. Should fit right over your bottom, just like that. And you have In Godly Trust. You put anything in there you want. And top back on. You can gift it any way you like. But there it is. Thanks for watching.
Mom, Dad.